Small Change, Big Difference is a London-wide campaign, and we're working with WRAP and LWARB, and it's an EU Life-funded programme. We set up a teacher panel, and so we knew that actually teachers had already looked at our sessions. It was something they wanted in the classroom. It was something that was in line with existing pedagogy. So we wanted to make something that was kind of exciting and fun for pupils. We have pupil-led campaign days. They'll be talking to parents and to the kitchen staff, and they'll actually be running these campaigns at the school gates and talking to other people about kind of food waste. So it's that kind of experiential learning and also becoming ambassadors for change.
I think my favourite thing to do was probably learning about the greenhouse gases. I've always been interested in these kind of things. And in lesson 2, probably making the smoothies was really fun. Now I can do that at home when I have leftovers and things.
So the children are presented with a problem, but they're also presented with solutions, and they decide what to do and what solutions to choose. Most of the parents said that they were delighted about what their children were learning, that their children had come home and reorganised the fridge with the foods in date order, making sure that no food was wasted. So the parent gets very much involved in their children's learning.
It's really about kind of that child-led and child-focused way. So we're looking at children and pupils and teachers being involved in the design of the programme right from the beginning. And when they're involved in that design, they kind of take more ownership. And then that programme kind of develops and it creates a momentum of its own because the pupils are really behind that.
I'm looking forward to spreading the word of food waste because this is a big problem we need to help the planet.